Okay, get this. While everyone else on the internet is completely distracted by basic chatbots, there's a whole underground group of freelancers quietly exploiting a totally free Google AI tool to pull in massive revenue. Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are tearing down a brand new strategy straight from the cutting edge of AI. It's literally an absolute goldmine. It's saving folks hours of grinding and letting them charge top-tier premium rates to major businesses. Seriously, if your day-to-day involves reading, researching, or creating any type of content, the stakes right now, they could not be higher. You are going to want to pay close attention to this blueprint.
But we've got a problem. 90%. Let that sink in for a second. That is the vast majority of users out there who are completely, totally missing out on this tool's true power. Right now, they're logging into Google NotebookLM for one thing and one thing only, spitting out summaries of boring PDFs. And honestly, what a complete waste of its potential.
So, here is the crucial point. We've got a huge gap here. The average user, they're treating this incredible tech like a glorified basic calculator just to get free summaries. But the power user? Oh, they are treating NotebookLM as an absolute income engine. They're leveraging it to build incredibly high-paying side hustles for 2026. Now, we are definitely not going to be average today, no way. Instead, we are diving into the exact step-by-step blueprint you need to become that highly paid power user. Okay, let's dive into this. Section 1, Media and Visual Services, transforming text into gold. So our very first hustle, becoming an AI podcast producer. And the workflow is just incredibly simple. Think about it. Imagine a business owner hands you this incredibly dense 100-page industry report. Instead of forcing their poor customers to read that whole thing, you just upload the document straight into NotebookLM. You hit their audio overview feature, and boom, it instantly generates a supernatural-sounding two-host audio conversation. Then, you literally just drop that track into a program like Descript or Audacity, you add a quick intro, layer in some cool background music, toss in a call to action, and you're done. Businesses and, hey, even authors trying to promote their books, they will eagerly pay you for this because you're saving them days of audio production and you're turning their dry, boring text into a genuinely engaging, listenable asset. Now, keeping that momentum going, we hit high-demand visual hustles, explainer videos, and infographics. We all know they are incredibly popular, right? But normally, they take days to research and script from scratch. Well, not anymore. You just upload the raw product docs, research papers, or company info, and NotebookLM dramatically speeds up the entire research phase. It hands you a perfectly structured, cinematic explainer script. Or say you need an infographic. It can extract and organize massive amounts of complex statistics, so you just drop that structured data right into Canva and build something beautiful. Digital marketers, YouTubers, they constantly need these visual assets, which makes this an incredibly excellent, high-ticket freelance service. Moving right along, Section 2, Selling Information and Education, the Digital Product Engine. Now, what's really interesting here is how this single tool can take raw, unstructured expert knowledge and build it out into 3 completely distinct, highly profitable digital assets. First up, online courses. You can literally upload a mess of scattered notes and videos and just ask the AI to build out a complete, structured curriculum, complete with learning objectives and quizzes. Second, lead magnets. Take those long webinars or giant blog posts and summarize them into super valuable PDF cheat sheets. Businesses use those to build email lists for years. And third, study guides. Upload textbooks or dense technical documentation, obviously making sure you always respect copyright laws here, and it instantly generates flashcards, FAQs, and revision notes that you can sell as digital downloads. It's just a massive, scalable business model, all perfectly powered by structured AI outputs. All right, lock in for this next one. Section 3, High-Ticket B2B Consulting, where the real money is. Look, big companies spend an absolute fortune on research, but small businesses, they just can't afford those massive, expensive consulting firms. So that's exactly where you step in to deliver corporate research reports. You upload competitor websites, dense government documents, financial data, all of it. But here's the secret. You don't just hand the client hundreds of pages of raw data. I mean, nobody wants to read that. Instead, you use NotebookLM to connect the dots. You deliver crystal clear, actionable business insights. We're talking market gaps, direct competitor comparisons, and actual growth opportunities. And that right there is exactly why you can charge premium rates. You aren't just selling data, you are delivering the strategic clarity that helps businesses make real, profitable decisions. And hey, speaking of clarity, let's talk about business mind maps. Business owners are constantly, and I mean constantly, overwhelmed by scattered ideas and totally chaotic meeting notes. It's a mess.
But you can take their messy, chaotic business plans and brainstorms, run them through the AI to generate structured workflows, and hand them back a clean, highly visual business mind map. Suddenly, those incredibly complicated project strategies become infinitely easier for a client to understand. And trust me, they will absolutely love you for organizing their chaos. Rounding out the consulting side, we have SEO research services. And your pitch here is so simple. You analyze competitor articles, identify content gaps, and structure better content strategies. Think about it. Literally every business wants to rank higher on Google, right? By combining NotebookLM's insane ability to do deep, instant competitive analysis with your own human writing skills, you deliver keyword summaries and content briefs that are just absolutely irresistible to digital marketing agencies. Let's move to our next strategy and see how this builds. Section 4, the repurposing income engine, securing recurring revenue. So here's the deal. Businesses usually already have what we call hero content, things like big podcasts or hour-long webinars, but they completely lack the time to scale it. So you step in. You take just one single source document and you use NotebookLM to instantly extract the absolute best ideas. Then you slice those ideas into 5 entirely different formats. We're talking LinkedIn posts, X threads, Instagram captions, newsletters, and blog articles. Just like that, one piece of content transforms into 20 diverse social media posts. You offer this entire system as a monthly package, and suddenly, you aren't desperately chasing new clients every single week. You are building a stable, reliable, recurring business. All right, we are nearing the end here, section 5. Choose one to win the 2026 strategy. Now listen up, because here is the ultimate trap. Do not do all 10. Let me say that again so it really sinks in. Do not try to launch all 10 of these services at the exact same time. It is literally the absolute biggest mistake you can make as a beginner. Trying to do it all just completely dilutes your focus, and it pretty much guarantees you will be mediocre at everything instead of becoming a true master of one. So here is your reality check. NotebookLM is incredibly powerful, yes, but it is not a magic money machine. It is a highly effective productivity tool. The people who are going to build real, lasting wealth in 2026, they are going to follow a strict 4-step strategy. Step 1, choose just one service. Step 2, practice it until you build a truly phenomenal, undeniable portfolio. Step 3, get that first client and secure a glowing testimonial. And Step 4, raise your prices. See, wealth doesn't just spontaneously happen because you're using AI. It comes from using AI to solve actual, real-world problems faster and better than anyone else in the market. So that brings me to my challenge for you. Which NotebookLM hustle are you going to start first? Are you going to be the AI podcast producer, the high-kick-it corporate consultant, or maybe you're going all in as the recurring content repurposer? Whatever it is, you need to commit to one specific track, right here, right now. Sound off in the comments below and let me know exactly which one you're choosing so we can get to work. Stay focused, pick your niche, and I will see you in the next explainer.